Alrighty, so now we are looking at a rectangular pyramid because it comes to a point. So this is our base, right? This is our base. So we are doing we can do it 1/3 times the base times the height. So we are going to do our base, which is length times width times the height, all divided by 3. So my length is 18, my width is 5, my height is 11, and then I'm going to divide by 3. When you multiply all three numbers, what do you get? 990 divided by 3, you get 330 inches cubed. You get 330 inches cubed. Okay? Now the next one. You have a cone. So the cone is 1/3 because it comes to a point times the base times the height. The base in this case is a circle, so pi r squared. So we are going to do the 3.14 times, is 7 my radius or is 7 my diameter? It's my radius, so that's all good, times my height of 12, and that whole thing is going to be divided by 3. That whole thing is going to be divided by 3. So first, let's square 7. So I'm going to have 3 1400ths times 49 times 12, all divided by 3. When I do that multiplication left to right, I get 1,846 and 32 hundredths. I'm going to divide that answer by 3 and end up with my final answer of 615 and 44 hundredths feet squared. Okay? Now for the next page. The directions are actually this. They should be up here. So it wants us to find the surface area. Before it was the volume. Now it is the surface area. The good news is easy peasy formula. So 4 times pi times r squared. So I have 4 times my pi, which is 3.14, times is 9 my radius or my diameter? It's my radius. So times 9 squared. So let's get that squared taken care of and make sure that that's 81. And then do all my multiplication. So if I multiply straight across, I get 1,017 and 36 units squared. And 36 units squared. Okay? And then the next one's 21 6/10. And I'm finding the surface area. So same thing, 4 times pi times r squared. 4 times 3 1400ths. Is 21.6 my radius or is it my diameter? That's my diameter. So I need to take my diameter and divide by 2. 21 6/10 divided by 2, that gives you what? 10 8/10, that's your radius. So times 10 8/10 squared. When I square 10 8/10, what do I get? All right, and then multiply straight across for a final answer of what?